Okay คุณส้ม once again what qualities do you like in your friends
sincere
that person should be sincere what else any other qualities friendly เป็นมิตร okay sincere จริงใจ right yeah and anything else and any other quality
funny because I feel I'm not funny people
you feel like you're not funny
sometimes I want someone look like funny to make me happy
to make you happy and to make you laugh all day yeah yeah I see okay so the qualities are being funny sincere